From the PMO series, 10 main reasons why your organization doesn't have a PMO and how to fix it, we continue this series, which aims to help PM officers identify, correct, pivot, and evolve their PMO.
Before we move on, smash that like button, and if you find it interesting, share it with your professional network. This lets me know that you appreciate my work of sharing experiences and knowledge. Thank you. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that bell so you don't miss the upcoming videos I'll be sharing throughout 2025.
Today, we analyze one of the most common causes of organizational chaos and loss of efficiency, when each team, department, or project uses its own management approach, without alignment, without standards, and without common traceability. Puzzle piece 3. To each his own PMO method round pushpin problem. In many organizations, each project team manages in their own way. Some use Excel, others Trello, others Jira. Some apply agile frameworks, others waterfall, others improvised hybrids. This creates clutter, duplication of efforts, inconsistent metrics, and great difficulties consolidating information in an executive manner. There is no single truth about project status. Brain root cause: the absence of a PMO that defines, promotes, and maintains common standards and tools leads to a fragmented management culture. Each project leader adopts what they know or prefer, without connection to an organizational vision. This lack of homogeneity impedes comparability, continuous improvement, and decision-making based on real data. White heavy checkmark solution. To resolve this situation, it is key to implement a PMO that functions as a center of excellence in project management. This PMO must define and share a common, adaptable, yet coherent methodological framework. Establish a catalog of official tools with clear processes for their use. Train teams in best practices and ensure support for change. Promote a culture of continuous learning and process improvement. Measure the impact on efficiency, reduction of rework, and organizational clarity. Methods such as PMO experience, which utilize analysis, auditing, redesign, implementation, leadership, and continuous improvement of the PMO, allow this function to be structured progressively and strategically. Factory real-world scenarios. 5 companies, 5 sectors, hospital 1. Healthcare, private clinic network context. Each hospital unit manages its projects with different tools and without a common language. Problem: management cannot consolidate progress or make informed decisions about clinical or technological initiatives. Recommended action: implement a cross-functional PMO with a unified framework, e.g., a PMO toolkit tailored to the clinical environment. Measure improvements in delivery times and internal stakeholder satisfaction. Laptop computer 2. Technology, software development consulting firm context. Each agile cell works with different rituals and tools without shared minimum guidelines. Problem: deliveries are delayed, there is friction between areas, and it is difficult to scale projects. Recommended action: define an adaptive methodology guide that unifies minimum agility criteria. Use unified dashboards to monitor progress and dependencies. Classical building 3. Government, public innovation agency context. Internal teams and external contractors do not share methodology, reports, or progress formats. Problem: inability to monitor impacts and justify funds to regulatory bodies. Recommended action: establish an institutional PMO with official templates, technical training, and common public management protocols. Graduation Cap 4. Education, international university context. Infrastructure, academic digitalization, and international relations projects are managed in isolation. Problem: there is duplication of efforts, lack of coordination, and projects competing for the same resources. Recommended action: create a strategic PMO to act as a facilitator between faculties and areas. Establish a common portfolio and prioritization based on an institutional vision. Building Instruction 5. Industry, manufacturing company context. Engineering, production, and quality areas manage projects without data integration or traceability between phases. Problem: loss of efficiency, reprocessing, and difficulty calculating the total cost of each project. Recommended action. Implement a tactical PMO that defines standard phases, checkpoints, and integration flows between operational areas. Hammer and Wrench proposed general solution. The key to overcoming this fragmentation is to build a common language without becoming rigid, but with clarity. This is achieved by establishing official frameworks that are adaptable to each type of project, implementing shared tools with support, training, and follow-up, promoting an organizational culture where project management is aligned with strategy through the action of an empowered PMO that acts as a guide, coach, and facilitator. Pushpin final reflection. Standardization is not the enemy of innovation, but its ally. When the entire organization speaks the same project language, information flows, decisions improve, and results are accelerated. The PMO is the one who must harmonize this orchestra so that everyone plays in the same key. What do you think? Have you faced any of these obstacles in your organization? Loudspeaker, share your ideas, experiences, or questions so we can continue building PMOs together that truly add value.